Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You'll start inside the Settings app. Once done, tap General, then About, and select Name. This is where the device identity lives. You don't need a backup to rename, but make sure you're signed into iCloud so the new name syncs across your devices. Now tap the current name to reveal the keyboard and field. This is your first actionable step. Type a concise, recognizable name so AirDrop and device lists show it clearly. You're editing the field now. Enter the desired name using the keyboard. Letters, numbers, and common symbols are fine because device lists and networks read plain text best. Make it short so it displays fully in menus and AirDrop. Long names can truncate. After typing, tap Done in the keyboard or the screen to save. The change updates locally first, then iCloud pushes it to other signed-in devices. That's why signing in matters. You're almost finished. Check General About to confirm the change took effect. Once confirmed, verify visibility in AirDrop, Bluetooth, and on other iCloud devices so everything reflects the new label. If the name didn't update, make sure you have Internet and iCloud enabled. Sign out and back into iCloud or restart the iPhone to force a sync. If that fails, toggle Settings your name iCloud sync briefly, then retry the renaming process.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.